Subscribe now, Dutch Dodds. Every way there, travel authenticity. So I'm embarking next June, sailing NCL Epic, Rome to Barcelona through the French Riviera, and this itinerary has no business being this cheap. Rome, Sicily, Naples, Florence, and Pisa, Monaco, Marseille, then Barcelona. And gluttony, I do apologize. This sailing comes just after a 2-week journey from Norfolk, Virginia to Canada and across to the British Isles. Joy, but first, chaos. Getting from Rome to the port of Rome, Civitavecchia, say that 5 times real fast, starts in the city center, Rome, navigating a massive train depot, dragging luggage through crowds that don't care about your schedule. Ciao, baby. Welcome to Italy. Norwegian Cross Line solo cabins? Whoever designed them was clearly improvising. Weird angles, storage tucked in places you'd never think to look, sink area by the door. According to YouTube reviews and Reddit reviews, the cruise food and specialty dining's solid though. Ship's crowded, no sugarcoating it. The actual value, $1,409 base, knocked $250 off with a Cruise Next certificate, then holding over 100 shares of NCL stock, another $100 onboard credit. That's the real math. Subscribe for the full breakdown. And here's my travel dodge of the day. When in Rome, buonasera, adapt to the circumstances.